Now, welcome my dear friends. Let us see how the picture chart and the picture cards can help us enhance the spoken English development in our classrooms. Welcome to the Spoken English Development series, and I am Dr. Rajni Rao, your friend and coach, and in today's session we will see how these letter cards and the letter chart help us enhance the spoken English development. So as I told you, you can use either. So one is chart and the second one is card. So how we can start this activity is first by recognition. So let's assume the child will come to the board or use this letter card. The first thing is, let us help the child identify this picture. So camel, this activity you can do for a junior KG or a senior KG child. So the child will first recognize this as camel and now encourage the child to do one simple sentence. And that simple sentence can be just saying camel is an animal. The first thing. Number 2, camel is a brown animal. Number 3, the simplest way is camel is a tall animal. So this is the basic information about camel that the child can always remember. And please remember, the child will do this only after you finish doing it in your course of introduction of letter and the vocabulary. So not before that. So you would have done it once, and it is only after that the child will now attempt to start speaking about this picture. Number 2, you can see this is cap. Very, very easy. So there is the child know this object or the thing. And now the child can definitely try to make one sentence like, this is a red cap. Finish. And now ask if he can make one more sentence, or you can give the chance to the next child, and the next child will have to make a new sentence if it is a familiar object. Now this is a red cap. I have a blue cap. As simple as this. Let us make it simple so that each child can try this. Number 3, cake. And you all know, children definitely identify this. So they can say, this is a cake, and they can share about what cake they love to eat or what they ordered on their birthdays. So they can use all this information and start making simple sentence. This is a cup. And now one sentence about this. I drink my milk in the cup. So I have a big cup, I have a small cup. Which cup do you have? So like this, you can go on making more sentences. This is a clock. So let us not use clock here, we'll use cat. Now this is a cat. I love cat, I don't like cat. So the sentences can be very honest and simple. So like this, you can go on making new sentences using these picture cards or the picture chart. So the child will first revise all the objects. This definitely enhances the vocabulary at the first place, and then the child can either choose to talk about one of these objects. Here there is an option to choose, but in the picture cards there is no option. The child has to try with the picture card that you show. So you can try both the variation of the game, and in the both places the child will benefit with the spoken English development. And I will see you in the next episode with games and tricks to enhance the spoken English development in your classroom. And you share this video with every teacher and mother who need to know this. Catch you in the next episode.